Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make this quick and easy scalloped potato that makes a great side or even a naughty snack during the day. So first I'm slicing my potatoes as thinly as possible. I'm doing this free-handed, so they aren't going to be the most uniform, but we can always try our best to get there. Next, I'm slicing up some brown chestnut mushrooms. I'm dicing half a white onion. Add 5 tablespoons of butter to a pan on low heat. Then add in your onions. Saute the onions until they sweat. Then in with the mushrooms. Now to make our roux, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. Make sure the flour is cooked through. The flour will turn into a golden brown color during the process, but you may not be able to see this. So just for reference, cook it for about 1 minute on a medium-low heat. Then add in 1 teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of pepper, and as much salt as you'd like. Then add in 1.5 cup of milk. Mix until it's thickened. And then add in 1.5 cup of cream. Grate about 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese into the sauce. Next, I'm placing the potatoes one on top of the other to make a layer. Then adding the bechamel sauce and repeating the process till I've used up all my potatoes and sauce. Comment down below if you saw my husband's hand cleaning up after me. I'm topping my casserole with some grated cheddar. You can add as much as you like. Cover the potatoes with foil and place them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. The potatoes are now out of the oven. They need to set for about 10 minutes. I was not patient and poked into them right away, hence this happened. The scalloped potatoes will lose their shape during the serving process if you do this. So let it set. Hope you enjoyed watching this quick recipe. Subscribe for more. Be safe and see you real soon.